Welcome to today's vlog. It's gonna start here at the Lumpini Park right in the center of Bangkok. It is just a nice green spot, and there is a lot of trees and some great wildlife. There's actually lizards at this size running around, and there's a lot of birds and fish in the lakes right behind me. It is just an awesome place to spend some time and just relax. So we are here to do some shooting and some filmmaking, and I'll do some B-rolls or cinematics. I brought my Ronin here, so yeah, let's make some videos. Alright, so we decided to rent this little swan boat to explore the lake here of the Lumpini Park. Okay, so this is gonna be the ultimate relationship thing. Swan ride. This is awesome. Okay, so we came to this little bridge, and now the roof of the swan boat is stuck underneath the bridge. We're gonna sleep here tonight. Can you get us out? Yeah, we're out. We're out. It's really hot here in Bangkok today. We are talking 38 degrees minimum, and yeah, it's just crazy. Walking around in a city like Bangkok with this kind of heat is just exhausting. Okay, so we just got freshened a little bit up, and now we are waiting for the sky train to arrive. We are actually going to the Octave Sky Bar to watch the sunset and to have a little drink. Should be an amazing place with an amazing view, and you should be able to see all of Bangkok. So Sky train is here. Well, thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh my God.
When there is no way back in, and we are the eye of the needle. All out, then I breathe in. We are the eye of the needle. I'm biding my time, I know the way this goes.
One of our favorite places to eat while staying here in Bangkok is here at the top floor of the MBK shopping center. It is just super delicious traditional Thai food, and it tastes really good, and it's just very cheap. It is an awesome place to eat. For example, right here we are getting chicken in a cashew nut, and it's only $1.50 for one dish, and so it's super cheap, and it's very delicious. Okay, so Catherine's bag is still on its way, so it means that she just got her daily payment from the insurance company, so we are shopping again. Yeah. If you like my videos, I would love if you would click the subscribe button and tell about my videos to your friends and families. Good night, everyone.